I'm making more than $11,000 a month with this Faceless channel simply by translating content. And in this video, I'll show you how you'll be able to do exactly the same. This is a channel in German where the only thing I'm doing is translating content. And in the last 28 days, with more than 2,200,000 views, I already made more than $11,000. The first thing I'll do is reload the page so you see that everything is real and that I'm not lying to you or anything like that. And in this video, I'll give you the resources, I'll show you the niche I'm working on and how you'll be able to do the same. As you see, this channel in the last month already made more than 24,000 subscribers, more than $11,000. And right now the channel has 32,000 subscribers. And well, in the last 48 hours, I'm also getting good views. The views are staying stable and the income, as you can see, is staying stable. Per day, I'm making about between $200 and $400. There are days I make, well, $600, but the average income is between $200 and $500. By the way, I'll show you that this is in US dollars, so you can verify that it's not in any strange currency, that this is in US dollars. And well, now I'll show you the strategy I'm using and other channels that are doing exactly the same thing as me. For example, this is a really similar channel, but it's doing it in Spanish. I mean, I'm doing it in German, but this person, for example, is doing it in Spanish. And as you see, well, it has videos with millions of views and hundreds of thousands of views. As you see, the channel already has more than 7,500,000 views. I mean, this channel will have made about $30,000 since it's in Spanish. I mean, my channel has a higher RPM because it's in German. I mean, the RPM on my channel is about 5 or 6 since it's in German. Although this niche honestly does have a good RPM because the audience tends to be older and, well, it's a geopolitics niche. Alright, this is the original channel where the original person uploads the videos. As you see, well, here he uploads the videos. This is the channel of the person who talks, and well, obviously it has millions of views because it's the original creator. But what we're going to do is translate this content to other languages like German, Russian, Spanish, Portuguese, or the language you choose. The one that has little competition, since this YouTube values a lot, since we're allowing other audiences from other countries to be able to consume this content and reducing the language barrier, so that YouTube values a lot. And well, there are a lot of channels that do that, basically translate. All right, so now you've seen these 3 channels. You've also seen the results that I'm getting with my channel in German. Well, now I'll show you how you'll be able to start yours to be able to have results like this one that you're seeing right now. All right, in the description of this video, you'll have a document with all the resources to be able to start. I've already shown you more or less the channels and the strategy we're going to use. That's basically translate content. So now, well, I'll show you the prompts and all the resources you need to create that content and what tools you have to use to be able to create the videos as soon as possible. All right, the first thing you'll have to do is download this folder. For that, you'll go to this link and you'll download the folder that you'll have the resources for the script and for the thumbnail. As you see here, I already have the folder, and here, well, I have the resources to be able to make the videos. All right, the next step you'll have to do is go to Claude, and the only thing you'll have to do is upload these 2 files that are inside the folder for the title. So you'll upload these 2 files, and then you'll have to go to the original channel. For example, this is the original channel of the creator who uploads the videos. So you'll copy the link of a video you like. For example, you can copy the link of this video that's from 3 weeks ago. I'll copy this one. Then you'll go to a website to be able to transcribe the video. In my case, I'll go to this website to transcribe the video. And here, well, you can already transcribe it. I recommend that the video you choose isn't more than an hour. I mean, maximum an hour of video. So here, basically what you do is copy the script, then you go here to Claude, you paste the script of the video along with these 2 files, and you can already send the prompt. All right, now what Claude is going to do is ask you in what language you want it to be translated. I mean, you have to choose a language. For that first, you have to decide in what language you're going to do it. In my case, I'm doing it in German. There are channels doing it in Spanish, and surely there are channels doing it in Portuguese or in Russian. So here you choose the language you want. I mean, you send it the language you want, and as you see, now what it's going to do is generate 3 optimized titles in that language, as you can see. So you choose the one you want, and now we're going to make the thumbnail. You'll go here to flow. Here you'll deactivate the agent mode. That by default comes activated, so you deactivate it until it stays like this, and then here you'll select that 4 images be made per prompt, and here in aspect ratio you'll put 16:9, and the model you put nanobanana 2. Then here the only thing you do is go to the document. You'll copy this prompt for the thumbnail, and then you'll paste it here. Then here you'll have to upload a couple of images. For that, you click here on upload, you go to the folder you just downloaded, to the folder for the thumbnail. Here you select those 3 images that are in that folder and you upload them here to Flow. Then here you wait for the images to upload and you'll click here on add to prompt. You click here on add to prompt for the 2 images. And here, really important, what you have to do is copy the title of the video and paste it right here at the end so that the thumbnail gets generated optimized for that title. So now you can already generate the thumbnail. If you want to generate it again, well, you put the prompt again, you put the title of the video again, and you add the 2 images to the prompt again. And here I recommend that you delete the name of the person. I recommend that you delete it because it probably breaks the policies. So I recommend that you delete the name of the person and you put only the title without the name, so you don't have this error that tells you that the image couldn't be generated. So if you delete the name of the person, you're going to be able to generate most of the images. Here, as you can see, the thumbnails have already been generated. So the only thing you have to do is download the one you like the most, and that's it. So you click here to download and you download the one you like the most. So now we already have the title. We also have the thumbnail. So now the only thing we have to do is translate the video. For that, I want you to pay attention more or less to what this channel is doing, that the only thing it's doing is translate the video from the original channel and it's putting subtitles, and that's it. Honestly, it's pretty simple. And now I'll show you the tools with which you can translate the video. For example, what this channel is also doing is taking a video of 1 hour and dividing it into 3 videos or 4 videos of 15 minutes or 20 minutes to be able to have more content. And that basically now the only thing you'll have to do is copy the link of a video. For example, I'll copy the link of this video that's from 3 weeks ago. So I'll copy the link. You'll go here to the apps section. Although there are a lot of tools with which you can do exactly the same. Tools like 11 Labs, or surely there are tools that are much cheaper and almost free. But anyway, since I'm making more than $11,300 a month with my channel, well, I prefer to use HeyGen. That's simpler, faster, and with better quality. So I don't mind paying $20 or $30 more to use HeyGen. So you go here to apps. Then you go here to the audio dubbing section, and here the only thing you have to do is paste the link of the video you just copied. And well, here basically you'll select the language you want it to be translated to. In my case, since my channel is in German, well, I'll select the German language, and well, here you can already translate the video. Then the only thing you'd have to do would be, well, add the logo of your channel, also add subtitles in the language you want. And you can also, well, add some effect or some stock clip or whatever you want. Basically, there's not much more to explain. It's literally what these channels are doing. As you can see, I mean, the only thing they're doing is translate the content and nothing else. And it's also what I'm doing and what I made more than $11,300 in the last month with translating the content the same way. By the way, if you want to have results like the ones you're seeing on screen, you can join my school community where I give you a monetized channel so you can make money from day one. I mean, the first video you upload, you'll already make money because the channel is pre-monetized. You'll also have access to me 24 hours a day. I'll help you with absolutely everything. I'll resolve all your doubts. I'll guide you. And well, I'll also send you personalized videos and everything you need so you can scale your channel. Then also, obviously, you'll have access to premium information, to advanced guides. You'll also have access to aged YouTube channels, to advanced tools, so it's much easier for you to create the videos. You also have private GPTs and absolutely everything, automation tools, advanced scripts, obviously really personalized help with videos and absolutely everything. But the most important thing obviously is that I give you a pre-monetized channel. In fact, this community is ranked right now as the best school community. As you can see, we come out in first place. And well, in the money section too, in the money section, we're also in first place. So this isn't a coincidence. In fact, in the community, you can see the results that the members are getting. For example, this member who made more than $7,900 in just 7 days with 1,500,000 views. As you see, well, in 7 days, he made almost $8,000, making more than $1,000 a day. As you can see, in 1 day, he made more than $1,400 with his Faceless channel. Then more members, for example, this member 6 hours ago, who also posted his results, that well, he made more than $8,600 just translating content, as I just showed you. Then here, I also post other results that I'm getting with my channels. For example, with this channel where I made more than $20,400, although this I've already posted on YouTube. Then also this member who made more than $16,000. in the last 28 days with his Faceless channel, as you can see. Then here another member who I gave the pre-monetized channel, and he already made more than $6,100 in the last 28 days. And then here you can see another member who made more than $10,800 with his Faceless channel too. If you want to join the school community, you have the link in the description of this video. From the first day you join, you receive the monetized channel, and you can already start to make money. So you have the link in the description in case you want to join and move to the next level and receive all the resources. And well, that's basically how I made more than $11,300 in the last month with this Faceless channel. Obviously, I don't only have this channel, I also have a lot more channels, as you're seeing right now on screen. And well, honestly, this niche is pretty easy. In fact, it's one of the channels that has taken me the least time to monetize and that I've gotten to scale the fastest, since the content is really easy to make. And well, remember that if you want to start in this niche, you have the free document in the description, and you also have the link to my school community in case you want to move to the next level and get your pre-monetized channel.